In addition to modifying the data that's been plotted by your chart, there are other things you can modify. I've just clicked on the chart, and in my ribbon I'm going to the Chart Tools Design tab. On the left hand side I can change my mind about the type of chart I see. If I click the Change Chart Type button, there are many different chart types to choose from. I might change mine from a column to cylinders. And when I click OK, the chart automatically changes. Besides changing the chart type, I can also go to the Chart Tools Layout tab and decide that I might like to change the legend. The legend appears on the right hand side of the chart. If I go to the Labels group and click the Legend button, I can choose to show the legend at the top, at the left, at the bottom, and in a number of places on my chart. I might choose to show the legend at the top, so I'll click this option. In addition to the legend, you can also control grid lines. Grid lines are these horizontal lines I currently see on my chart. I might want some vertical grid lines. So from my Chart Tools Layout tab in the ribbon, I'll go to the Axis group and I'll click the Grid Lines button. I want to see vertical grid lines and major grid lines, so I'll click this option. And now I have major vertical grid lines. You can also add a title to your chart. On the Chart Tools Layout tab in the ribbon, in the Labels group, I'll click the button Chart Title. And here I can choose to show a chart title above the chart. And I'll just call it 2008 to 2010 Results. And I have a chart title. In addition to giving the chart a title, I might decide to have axis titles. For example, I might like an axis title on my horizontal grid line. So I'll go to the Labels group and I'll choose Axis Titles and Primary Horizontal Axis Title and click Title below Axis. And here I'll type Regions. I might also decide to add a title to my vertical axis. So again I'll go to Axis Titles, but this time I'll choose Vertical and Rotated Title. And I'll type dollars. The other thing you can add to a chart is a data table. This is very helpful for the reader. What I'd like to do is go back to the Chart Tools Layout tab and in the Labels group, click the button Data Table and I'll show a data table. And the data table appears at the bottom of my chart. My chart looks rather small now, so you can actually resize your chart. I'm just going to place my mouse in the middle bottom of the chart area and drag down and stretch my chart. And that looks a lot better. So you can modify your chart using the Chart Tools Layout tab in the ribbon and also the Chart Tools Design tab and also the Chart Tools Format tab.